Hi friends, we're gonna do some crafts to do with bees. You're gonna need your paper bag. This is kind of an idea on what to do, but you don't have to follow this exactly. Here is a body part for your bee, the head, the 2 antennae, and the wings. If you cut it down the middle, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, but you don't have to cut it to make the 4 parts. You can decorate them the same color as the picture, but you don't have to. You can do it any way you want. It's your project. And then you're going to glue it on here. The head will go here and the body will go here. But have fun with it. Make it your own. Then we have some comparing of same and different. And there's rectangles here. So you're going to cut these rectangles out with different pictures of different kinds of bees. And you're going to look at the pictures. Are these 2 bees the same? Yes, they are. So you'd put them in the same rectangle. Are these 2 bees the same? Yes, they are. So you'd put it in the same. But are these 2 bees the same? They're different. So they would go in the different category. Then we have the Buzzy Bees game. On the beehive, this is where the bees make their honey, there's lots of different numbers. And on the back of here, there's bees with little dots on here. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know there's 4 dots there. So this bee, once it's cut out, would go on number 4. So you take that bee and go to number 4. You can play it over and over with all these fun bees. And then on this last page, it's ideas to go for a nature walk, to look around and see what's out there. Have fun, friends. Bye.